Right here we got a 2003 F-150 with the 5.4 Triton. As you can see, I can't really see, but right now it's supposed to be in park, but it ain't. So I need to mess the indicator on there. And I was messing with down here, and I see that this piece is broken. So I'm gonna probably drill another hole or buy a new piece for it and put it on there, cause now it's in park. So if it's ever off, guess that's how you do it. That's how you fix it. Pop this car off right here, and that piece right there is probably broken. That's it. And yup, it was indeed broken. Alright, I got this all melted back. I wouldn't recommend doing that, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna put it back on and see how it works. Adjustments all done, and it's a little off, but that's because it's a little jiggly. But that's how you do it.